Hey, Hollywood Cole. Yeah.
Dear Mrs. Bill Collector, I know you're just doing your job. Don't mean to disrespect you, but we've been going through this thing since way back. I told you when I get the dough.
My people, what's up, man? So, shout out to Puma for sending these over first and foremost, man. You guys know these are extremely hard to get, but luckily, just in time for Christmas, they're gonna be restocking the RS Dreamer in the Blood, Sweat, and Tears colorway. It's dropping this Friday, so that's December 18th. If you watch this after the fact, retail is going to be $125. They're going to release them on PUMA and on Foot Locker. I'll make sure to put the links down below so you guys can go ahead and try to grab a pair. You don't want to sleep on these, man. Honestly, I have 3 of the colorways so far. Gotta love this box, man. This is just super dope. Good job, Puma, on this look. Now, just to be completely honest, these are gonna be hard to get, man. It seems like the bots are really just eating up the site. I'm not necessarily sure if Puma has done a better job or if they're aware of bots just dominating and almost impossible for people to cop, but I mean, good luck to most of you guys. Let's just get into the shoe. First and foremost, if you guys didn't see, they had LaMelo actually just kind of modeling the shoes, and that's pretty cool that they signed him recently. A little more detail about these. These are J. Cole's signature shoes, if you did not know. This is the Blood, Sweat, and Tears colorway. Essentially, it represents, you know, just the grind, man. You know, what it takes to make your dreams come true. And it's not necessarily in an athletic perspective, it's musician, it's just life in general, because we're always hustling towards something, man. You know what I'm saying? So I love that concept. On the box, it actually calls these the summer hustle, which it ain't even summertime no more, but you guys can see that red is so loud. Now, I haven't actually had an opportunity to go try these out on the court just yet. I'm looking forward to that, but they are a really solid shoe to just wear, you know, just straight up be dripped down in the comfy boys fits, right? You know, you can wear your sweats with these, just kind of like that casual basketball athletic look. One thing that I really like about these is, you know, it's snowing here in Colorado and I could still wear these out and not ruin them whatsoever. You do have like breathable knit throughout the upper and some suede, which you kind of got to be careful with, but nothing too crazy. And then you have this lacing system throughout the shoe, which essentially keeps it tighter to your foot. Personally, I like to wear my basketball shoes really tight, but obviously if you just want to casually wear these, you just loosen them up a little bit more. And then speaking on the sole of this, you actually have Pro Foam in the midsole, and then in the heel you have, what's it called? It's the RS Foam sole, or RS Foam. So very well executed. These things are just extremely loud, and I love the color palette. Number one, having that just deep, kind of like, what are they calling it on the box? It is a ribbon red, fiery red. I like that better, fiery red. And then we kind of have like that sky blue. And what I really like is the sole on this bad boy. It looks like you have a lot of traction. So I can't wait to just, for the gyms to be open up and just be able to go try these out. But I mean, overall, great shoe, like really good job on these. And I love the kind of minimal branding on this. It's nothing too crazy. You obviously have your Dreamer on the back, and then of course on the front you have RSD, which is the RS Dreamer, and your Puma logo. It's very minimal, and I love that about Puma. They just keep things simple. There's nothing too like overbearing on the shoe that's just like really off-putting. It's just kind of a minimal, dope looking sneaker. Now, for those of you that don't know, the last time these released was in August, and like I said, they did sell out. Retail is gonna be $125, which is a great price point for this shoe. I just love the little elements that they added. Now, one thing Puma has done a lot in kind of the past with shoes is they typically give like a signature colorway. It's not necessarily like a shoe, you know what I'm saying? Like a whole silhouette. And it seems like J. Cole, like this Dreamer is actually his. And I think that was a huge question for a lot of people. Like, okay, is this J. Cole's like actual shoe, or is it just a colorway that's for him? And it seems like based on what they've been releasing, this is really J. Cole's signature shoe. And I think they did a really great job recently. It was already hard to get. And now you have LaMelo Ball modeling them. So the hype is gonna be even more extreme. They are gonna be hard to get. And I'm just gonna keep telling you that just so you know. Now, as far as sizing goes on these bad boys, make sure you just go true to size. You'll be good to go. If you play basketball with ankle braces and all that good stuff, you know, double socket, I probably would get a 12.5 or a 13 of these just for strictly hooping purposes. But I mean, if you're like me, you just casually play here and there, you wanna wear these out casually, just go true to size and you'll be straight. Now, the last thing I wanted to mention is just styling these. Like I said, you can go with a full sweatsuit. It'll look solid, very casual, or you can even wear jeans. I think with this specific color, you want to stick to more of the lighter side. You could wear black, but more so maybe like some light wash jeans would look super dope with a hoodie. I mean, you're chilling. But there you guys have it, man. That is the PUMA RS Dreamer Blood, Sweat, and Tears. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do any of you guys own any of the other colorways? Let me know how you like them. Have you hooped them? I personally haven't yet, so I'd love to hear your comments down below. But this is your boy Sneaker Life. If you guys want to pick this up December 18th, make sure to save the date. I'll put the links down below. But this is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you on the next one. Run it.